Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, an Apple ID signed in and a valid payment method attached. Open the Apple Music app or go to Music. Apple, calm on your device. Once there, tap Try It Free. You need to choose the individual, family, or student plan, pick what fits. Make sure you read the trial length and any renewal price so you're not surprised. Once done, authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or password to start the trial immediately. Next, configure plan details and settings so the experience matches your needs. Choose individual, family, or student and verify eligibility where required. Family plans require family sharing setup. Turn on iCloud Music Library to sync playlists and liked songs across devices. Then tweak download and streaming settings, select audio quality, allow cellular streaming if you want music on the go, and set offline storage preferences to finally confirm the trial activation and note the billing date in your account settings so you can cancel before renewal if desired. Test playback and download a playlist to verify offline listening works. Make sure downloads show a checkmark and play without network. If something goes wrong, sign out and back into your Apple ID, update the Apple Music app or operating system, and reboot the device. These steps resolve most problems. If the issue persists, contact Apple support for account-specific help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.